Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you are all having a great day. Let's start our next challenge, level 5. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory. And it has the following 3 properties. It is human readable. Human readable is not very specific. They should mean a text file. It is 1033 bytes in size and it is not executable. Let's head over to our terminal. We first want to see which files are available to us, so we type the list command. We change directory to the in here directory. Again, we want to see what is available to us. They made it more difficult for us in this level, as there are a lot of files to analyze. It's a good thing we can use commands to do all the hard work for us. We will begin with specifying the file size. For this, we will use the find command. Find searches for files in a directory hierarchy. So, if we specify our current directory, it will run over all possible files within. Doesn't matter if it is 2 levels deep or 10 levels deep. We search for the right option. And here we have it. Our n will be 1033. And then we will collate a C to specify the unit we want is bytes. So the first part of our command will be next, we will be specifying that we want our file to be non-executable. Again, we will be using the find command. We search for the right option. And here we have it. However, we want to specify not executable. So how do we negate this option? We will go all the way down to operators. And here we will make use of the exclamation sign to negate the expression, which will be our executable. So normally the second part of our command would be this. However, because the exclamation sign is a special character, we need to escape it. We will do this the same way as we did in level 2 to escape the spaces in the file name, with a backslash. We come to our final part. We want to specify that the file we need is a text file. As in our previous level, we will use the file command to get a type of a file. If we want to search in the results for a specific type, in our case text files, we will use the grep command. Grep prints lines that match patterns. In our case, the pattern we need is text. So our command will be. Finally, we want to combine all commands together, and we do this by using pipelines and the xargs command. First, we combine 1 and 2. Now, because they use the same command, we can just collate the options one after the other. Then we use the pipeline and xargs command to collate our third part. Xargs will separate the results from the first command, and it will apply the file command to each one of those results. Lastly, we want to search for text. Note that in this case we don't want to use the xargs again, because if it searches in one line or multiple lines for grep, it really doesn't matter. We finally have obtained the file with our password. We want to read it. We want to log out by either typing logout, exit, or Ctrl D. We want to log into our next level. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 5, we type the reachal command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's check our reachal website. We update. Congratulations on completing level 5. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.